Good morning. Hi, how are you? Sorry, I'm keeping my voice down because the rest of the family is still asleep. It's 6 a.m. on a Sunday morning, and I'm going to take the bike and go for a sunrise cycle ride along part of the Leeds and Liverpool Canal. Hoping you can come along and join me. It should be a scenic, quiet, peaceful bike ride. So hopefully I'll see you on the bike. Let's do a quick time check. It is now 25 past 6 on a Sunday morning. Mind out of the way, Mr. Goose. Sorry, disturb your morning. Sun is just poking its head up over the hill to my left. I've got no real plan for this ride. It's just get up, get out there and see what I find along the way. This is why I get up early in the mornings, especially on a Sunday. Just look at this. Canada geese are having a chat about something. Peace and quiet has been spoilt slightly. I'm running parallel to a road. Hopefully the canal will angle away from the road a little bit. Morning, geese. Don't you hiss at me, grumpy. Morning. And look out, more potentially angry geese. Oh, some puddles. Oh. Haha, look at that. Smoke coming from the chimney of the narrowboat. I can imagine it's nice and toasty in there. Oh, smells nice. Wood fire. Sun is fully up now, and there's a little bit of heat to it. I can feel it on my face. Got 2 pairs of gloves on, trying to thaw my fingers out. I have to keep stopping to push the button to get the camera to switch on, which takes about 90 seconds because my hands are so frozen I can't tell if I've actually switched it on or not. Can't feel the button press. Quite a few of the canal boats you can see. Got smoke coming out of their chimneys. One back there just had the engine running. Guess people are getting up and about for the day. Always strikes me as a very peaceful existence. Nomadic lifestyle, living on a narrowboat. I'm now cycling through Skipton on a Sunday morning. It's a bit rough and bumpy over the cobbles. We've been through Skipton, now heading out the other side. And apparently it's about 5.5, 6 miles to the next town. So I'm guessing the path opens up a little bit. Well, the path doesn't open up, but I'll head more into the countryside. Oh, hold on a sec. Oh. Speed bumps. A small marina to the left. Lots of narrowboats or canal boats. What's the difference? Is there a difference? Don't know. It would probably be wise to pay attention to where I'm actually going. Oh, I could end up in the canal at this rate. I get so wrapped up in the beauty of the moment, I forget to look where I'm going. Getting a little bit busier now as we get towards 7:30. Few dog walkers, half a dozen runners I've passed. I think the temperature's above freezing now. Well, I got to the next little town, can't remember what it was called, and it's quite busy. There's a road running parallel to the canal path. Been cycling for an hour, so I've just turned around. I'm going to head back. Find somewhere quiet to have some breakfast, got some food with me, just sit and watch the world go by, and then I can get back home or back to the holiday cottage and see if the rest of the family have managed to get themselves out of bed, and then we'll be off out for the day. Morning. Over the rough bits, bumpity bump. Ow, ow. Well, I can think of worse places to have your breakfast. I'm not far off the car now. I think about another 15 minutes and I'll be back, and that'll be the end of this ride, which has been highly enjoyable. Can't recommend this enough. Getting up early. It was a bit cold to start with, but the sun's soon come up. Still a bit of a nip in the air. The sun's nice and warm on my face now. Another cyclist now coming down the path. Well, I did just try and put the drone up and get it to follow me, but it kept getting dive bombed by a load of birds. Don't know what they were, but they didn't like it. So I was a little bit worried that it might get knocked out of the sky, or the propellers might injure one of the birds as they swoop down and try and attack it. So I've packed it away again. I'll count that as a learning experience. All in, thank you. Well, that was a fantastic early morning ride. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for coming along with me, and whoever you are, wherever you are, take care of yourself, and maybe I'll see you the next time. Bye.